These 5 drinks used to repair nerve damage. Did you know that nerve damage is a condition that affects millions of people around the world? It's also known as neuropathy, and it can cause discomfort and affect various bodily functions. Like most diseases, it is also brought about by poor diet, lack of physical exercise, and excessive body weight. There are medical treatments and therapies are often prescribed to manage this condition. But some natural remedies may also offer benefits in this condition. Especially adding certain natural drinks into your diet can support to help repair nerve damage. In this video, I'll share 5 best drinks that help to repair nerve damage. It will help to avoid further health complications and make you healthier. Be sure to watch this video until the end because I'll also share important vitamins for nerves health. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, let's understand why healthy nerves are important for you. Healthy nerves play a crucial role in the body's overall functioning. Nerves transmit important signals between the brain and the rest of the body. It allows for the regulation of various bodily functions such as movement, sensation, and organ function. If the nerve is damaged, it causes problems in normal body functions like sensation, stimuli response, and movement in the body. Although nutrition plays an important role in nerve damage repair, hence, adding nutrient-rich foods and drinks in diet help to maintain nerve health. Here are 5 drinks that are beneficial for supporting nerve health. Number 1. Green tea. Every health-conscious individual loves to drink green tea because of its potential health benefits. This healthy drink is also beneficial for nerve damage repair. It is loaded with polyphenol and antioxidants that have neuroprotective properties. The special antioxidant EGCG found in green tea, which help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Having high levels of inflammation and oxidative stress can contribute to nerve damage. Green tea is also a good source of L-theanine, an amino acid known for its calming and potentially pain-relieving properties. Studies have shown that the catechins in green tea can promote nerve regeneration and repair damaged nerve tissues. Additionally, green tea can enhance blood flow to the brain and nervous system. The anti-inflammatory effects of green tea help alleviate symptoms associated with nerve damage, such as pain and tingling sensations. Regular consumption of green tea helps in repairing nerve damage and also prevents its progression. Number 2. Turmeric tea. This special tea is often used as a potent natural remedy. Curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, contains powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that curcumin may help manage pain and improve nerve function in individuals with neuropathic pain. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which helps in nerve repair. Regular consumption of turmeric tea supports nerve regeneration and promotes overall nerve health. To get the maximum benefits of turmeric tea, add a pinch of black pepper to it. Because turmeric has low bioavailability and black pepper can significantly increase its absorption. Number 3. Tart cherry juice. This special drink gaining attention from many natural remedy lovers. Along with other benefits, tart cherry juice has also potential benefits in repairing nerve damage. As per studies, tart cherries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. This helps to protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Further, tart cherry juice contains high levels of anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved nerve function and repair. So adding this juice to the diet lowers the symptoms and supports the repair of damaged nerves. Number 4. Vegetable juice. This is made with a blend of various vegetables like carrots, spinach, kale, and bell peppers. This makes it a powerhouse of nutrients. Vegetable juice is a concentrated dose of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a vital role in nerve function and overall health. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are particularly rich in B vitamins, which are crucial for nerve cell health and function. Vegetables like carrots and beets offer antioxidants like beta-carotene and betalains, which may help to fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Moreover, vegetable juice is a great source of phytonutrients like luteolin and quercetin, which have neuroprotective properties. Drinking vegetable juice can also improve blood circulation, which ensures that vital nutrients reach the nerves efficiently and support their repair and regeneration. Number 5. Coconut water. This natural electrolyte drink is rich in potassium, magnesium, and other essential minerals. These minerals play a crucial role in supporting nerve health and regeneration. It helps to prevent damage caused by electrolyte imbalances. Coconut water is a good source of potassium, which helps maintain nerve function and aids in the transmission of nerve signals. Additionally, coconut water contains vitamin B complex, which plays an important role in nerve repair. Apart from these drinks, you should add some of the vitamins to your diet for better nerve health. Adding to your diet, food rich in omega-3, vitamin B12, curcumin, vitamin D, and alpha-lipoic acid. If you are not able to get all these vitamins from foods, then you can consider adding their supplement to your diet as well. I hope this information will be helpful to you. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And write your favorite drink in the comment section. For more informative videos like these, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss a video. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.